Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to show you maybe the best BMW cars electric device, and this is really fantastic engineering made in Germany, and this part is original BMW cars, this part, and this is now electric towing and tow hook that we can take this trailer and tow this trailer in our car. And my current car is about 10 years old BMW 3 series car, and there is really electric towing hook, and this is the best thing. And now you can firstly look, we are in rear area, and can you see this tow hook? There is nothing what we can see, but soon when I go to press one secret button, you can see miracle. This is like David Copperfield miracle in Las Vegas. Look, now it happens. Firstly, I install my hand in here, and then I thumb up, and look what happened next. This is the thing. And this is something miracle. Can you believe? And let's look again. Now I like to show the device again, because this works so nice, and engineering mind likes that. Oh great, this is so cool. This is so cool stuff. That side, when we look, there is electric, this cables location that we can install in your trailer hook, and this is really trailer hook that we can like take our boat in our trailer, and we can tow amount like I estimate that 4,000 to 5,000 pounds trailer, even more. And if you like that kind of device in your BMW car, like in USA, please go to visit in nearest BMW dealership center, like in New York or San Francisco, and they will install this part in your car. And next you can also see that how this device really works, because this is so amazing thing. And look my this video's next part next. Okay, and then how we use that electric towing and tow hook in BMW cars. Okay, firstly we have to go in trunk area, and in all BMWs we go to look these side areas, because this device button, this turn on and turn off button, is very hidden, and this is really difficult to find. But let's go to look at most common areas where we can see this start and stop towing hook electric button, and let's go to look that I will show that area. In most cases this button is very near of car battery, and if you have a battery in trunk area it is easy to see, and this button is like in here is my this battery, and firstly I have to take that cover away, and there's also small hole in here. If you notice that kind of hole, you are very good in road. And then we have to look that back area, because in here is this button, a little bit hidden. Can see in here back area, and here is black button in here, black button, and this is this device. And when I press that once, towing hook comes up, and then when I press that again, tow hooks come back. Okay, now again. And now it goes away. Okay, and let's go to look closer at this button because this is so exciting. And this button is just in here, that device in here. And now when I take the lights away, we can see even in here very light green this light. And this is now possible to see in here. And when I press that switch, now these tow hooks come on in here. And now we can see that even it blinks. And now it tells that now we have thing that we have to secure this tow hook. And it means that I little bit lift up this my tow hook. And now it's locked. And as we can see, now there's nice this green button and this light, and it means that everything is okay. And now when I like to turn off this my electric towing hook, again press, and now this goes away. And this blinking means that I need to do something, and it means that I have to little bit move that tow hook away in that way. Good. And now light is okay. Excellent. Okay, but let's look at how this device really works, step by step. Firstly, we have to find this nice towing hook electric button, this on and off switch, and this is normally hidden. But when we found that this is really nice device, and it is really in here, and we can use this device so that when I install this my cover back in here, in that way, good, and then switch off, and now we can see this device in here, but it is a little bit hidden, difficult to see. But now when I press that button, and I remember once, only one, and sound, then happens that tow hooks came on. And see, maybe in here tow hook is coming, and now I go to press that button once, only one press. And then happens that in here pop-ups this tow hook in here. And look that what happens when I press that button once. And there comes this tow hook in position, and after that it normally can be in here, and sometimes it goes ready to button, but I have to take my hand and pull that up that way, and now it's like locked, and I check that it is not moving, and now tow hook is ready for use. And how about then when I like to turn off this my towing hook? Then I go again in here and I press that button in here, and now I take this my cover away that we can see this switch once in here, and then tow hooks goes down, and let's look at what it means. Now we can see that what happens when I press this my button and I like to turn off my tow hook. Now I go to press that down, and now it goes firstly in this position, but after that I have to little bit help this so that I can use my hand, and I only move that this way, and now it goes back in this position. Excellent. And let's repeat that thing again. And now I like to show that what happens when I turn off. There is this, I go in that area in here and turn on. and tow hooks comes in here in this position, in that area, and after that I need to take my foot or hand and I only pull up this, that it is like in position, and then I check with my foot or hand that it is okay. And now tow hook is ready. And how about then when I like to release that off and turn off, I go to press button and it goes down, and then I need to only give a little bit speed in this tow hook, and then this device is in away. It is so easy. Let's look a little bit different view that thing. And let's repeat that thing. Firstly, I go in this to install towing hook on. I press button and it comes in here, and then I take my foot a little bit and up. Now it's ready and I check that everything is okay, and then when I like to turn off that, I only press again button, and then I can install it back so that like a little bit foot I use my now with my hand, and let's go to look this button again. Let's look these button things. Now when I start to use tow hook, I press once in this and listen sound. Now tow hooks come up. Then when I like to release that, I press that again. And now I install that back in this position, and look these lights, everything is okay. And final part is that I close this my cover in here in this way. And now this electric tow hook use is ready. And thank you for watching, and this is really excellent device.